So hi folks, welcome back to another new video. Um, the first video that I had about the insights of how MIT University's online BCA BCS portal look like. That video has got quite a lot of tractions, and there are a lot of work queries coming in the comment section below. People want to know about the fee structure of MBA, BBA, how is basic mathematics and BCA and everything. So basically, guys, regarding the fee structure, you can visit their website, which is amityonline.com. The fee structure is basically mentioned over there. That's the entire fee structure. There are no hidden charges, there are no extra charges. That whatever is mentioned in the website, that is the final fee, which includes your books, your examination fees, and everything. Apart from that, if you want a one-to-one session with your professor, then there is an additional charge of 5,000 rupees that you would need to pay. uh, that's pretty much all about it. Again, if you did watch my previous video, there are two sessions. If you try to reach out to the university sales, like the course sales team or your counselor, the student counselors over there, in the month of January and in the month of July, you can expect some form of discounts, huge discounts, to be very honest with you. And yeah, you can negotiate with with the fee part. There are EMI plans as well, so you can take advantage of that. Now, a quick update. As you folks know, I enrolled in the month of September, which was 2021 September. The session date was from August, so I was a month late. But again, today is November, so we are at the end of November, and there are students still enrolling in the second, you know, in the second batch of 2021. They have postponed their semester exams from December 2021 to March 2022, so that's a huge relief. Apart from that, we had our internal assessments, which had a last submission date of 15th of November. That has been postponed to 15th of February 2022, so that's a huge relief as well, especially for people like us, because we we are working full time. We spend like probably 12 hours a day in our office, work like almost like 5 days a week. And now, as it is the end of season and I'm from a BPO industry, I have to work like 6 days a week till December. I really have very less time to to spare for my studies. I have postponed my studies till January because I have still 2 months, January and February. I have already completed my internal assessments, so I'll give the rest of the time in January and February to study, and by March I'll be appearing for the exams, first semester exams. uh, the most important and the most asked question is about the placements. So first of all, you would only get place. Okay, so MIT does provides placements. As a matter of fact, on 2nd of December, there are companies that are coming for the job fair at MIT, and there are companies like Accentures and likes of them who would be hiring from MIT itself. They're online students. It's a separate job fair for online students. There would be no regular course students out there, so they would only be hiring from students who are pursuing their online degree from MIT. And of course, there is a very good opportunity. Again, if you have a work experience, then it's also good, so you would have added advantages. You have job experience, you are studying, and on top of that, these are MNCs that would be hiring. So that's one of the latest update. They had a poster released. I would probably be posting the poster on my on my YouTube here, so you guys can check that. Everything is perfect as compared to MIT. one of the things that people say is we are not getting adequate attention of our professors or lecturers. So guys, you need to understand that a regular course where people go to their colleges, okay, given the pandemic situation, everything has turned to be online, but again, everyone is going to college is getting normalized. So people who are enrolled in regular courses, they spend like 8 lakh for their degree courses, anywhere between 6 to 8 lakhs for BBA, BCA, or anything as such in MIT itself. They are the ones who get one to one sessions or they get regular classes. You folks are paying one third of the fees, so it's not wise to expect that kind of attention, especially when things are available to you. And if you are not able to understand, then yeah, go ahead, pay the 5,000 rupees, get a one to one session with your professor. There's no harm in doing that. It's not like you would not like to save money, and you of course would like to not spend the money, and then you would say, you would come up complaining that your lecturers are not explaining you properly. They are explaining properly. They have like 50 minutes of classes. You have an option to reach out to your lecturer or professor. There is an option in your learning portal, LMS, where you can ask or where you can communicate with your professor directly if there are any doubts or any queries. Apart from that, YouTube is just a click away. There are lot more better lectures, professors, and classes on YouTube as compared to any given university teaching online courses by charging their students. There are lecturers. I'll give you an example. There's something called Genesis Tutorials. It's a C and C++ programming course that she is teaching. She is one of the excellent lecturers that I have came across. She explains everything so perfectly. I wish she was my lecturer in MIT, but unfortunately they have their own they have their own lecturer base, so you cannot complain about that as well. So you are enrolled in online courses, so stop complaining. Try to do some jugaad. Try to, because you are paying half of the fees. इतनी कंप्लेन करनी है तो इग्नो में एडमिशन क्यों नहीं कर लेते? यहाँ पे आप बोल रहे हो कि हम लोग 2-2 ढाई-2.5 लाख पे कर रहे हैं, एंड देन you start complaining. 2 and 2.5 lakhs is nothing as compared to people paying regular courses for 8 lakhs. So I am not much. We have like there are every day there are like in a total I am a member of like 3 groups. One is an official groups where you cannot reply, only the admin can reply. The second one is a general group where everyone communicates, even the admin communicates. And the third group is an unofficial group जहाँ पे बकचोदी चलती रहती है. And all of those groups are in silent mode. I have muted them forever. So yeah, that's like right now there are like 200 or 250 members in that group. I believe all of them are from the September batch or the August batch. So that's pretty much how it's working right now. If you have any other queries, you can keep commenting, and whenever I get time, I would try to reply back to you. Regarding the fees, do reach out to the counselors and do check the website. That is the fees. There are no hidden charges. That's exactly the fees. The fees can reduce if you if you try to reach them in the month of January or in the month of July. So yeah, try to get hold of that. In the next video, I would be talking about my job experiences, how I went from 1,20,000 package to 6 lakh package as an undergraduate with not so very great English. You can hear my English. This is the English that I speak with my customers, and this is absolutely uh, I would not call it a decent or even average. It's below average English. So this is how I speak to my customers, and I get like 6 lakhs per annum. So I'll explain you how that works. So if you're interested, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know your queries. I'm not a YouTuber, I cannot post regularly. Whenever I get time, I do post. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.